Hello and welcome to another fantastic time-lapse tutorial by yours truly. Let's shoot these hyperlapses handheld on iPhone without gimbals or stabilizers or monopods or nothing. Here's how we do it. Open up your time-lapse mode in your standard iOS camera app and go to the time-lapse option, put it on 0.5 lens if you have it, you don't have to. Frame up your shot and long press the screen to create that little yellow square. Then you want to walk as slowly and as steadily as possible. Here you see me walking probably quite a bit faster than what I normally would do. If you go slower, time will speed up more. You will see more traffic from other people passing by faster. You want to go as slow as possible. I'm going too fast here, but you see my step size, it's fairly consistent, and I'm just trying to keep that top of the building in that yellow square as I am walking. Every now and then I glance to the side of the phone to make sure that I'm still going in a straight line. You want to be consistent in your step size and in your line. You do not want to go left and right because that will be visible in the footage. This is what the camera sees. So it's pretty sturdy, it's pretty shaky, right? But the shot you saw at the beginning was without stabilization. As in, I didn't add any extra stabilization. The camera just does it for you. It uses, I think, the built-in gyroscopic data of the camera while you're shooting. Here you see the other shot. Just going straight ahead, trying to keep it as steady as possible. Birds, keep going, stay focused. Maybe do the run again if you feel like you messed up, because it doesn't take long. As you can see, we had some good clouds today. And this is literally straight out of camera. I did not touch this edit at all. This is exactly what it looks like. I reversed it here to give us a little bit more footage to look at, but how bloody good is this? Am I out of a job? Maybe, who knows? Obviously, there are many benefits to shooting hyperlapses the way I teach them in the Ultimate Time-Lapse course, by shooting them on full-frame cameras or crop cameras. You get better dynamic range, you get more resolution, you get more options in post to edit them. There are so many benefits shooting it the proper way, and I've of course been doing that for a very long time, and I teach my students in my courses exactly how to do that. Not only how to shoot it, but also how to stabilize it. Anyways, this was a quick little video that I wanted to share today. Hope you're having a good one. Thanks for checking in, and hope to see you on the next video. If you're not subscribed yet, please do. That's much appreciated. Bye bye.